for a miscellaneous day. Hands up, who knows the difference between saving and investing? Now, I'm speaking to a screen and can't see any of you. So I'm presuming that none of you have your hands raised and you don't know. Growing up, anytime we were given any money for birthdays, Christmas, or bizarrely, in our household, when we managed to pass an exam, we were told to save it for the future. That ever-present threat that hangs over humanity, depriving us of any forthcoming promise, the rainy day, seemed like something that forever lay in our path, like a highwayman around the corner looking to rob our horse and our cart. And even if that rainy day came, looking back now, what would have been the point of putting that money into an account earning 0.1%, when the rain would come precisely because the cost of living hit 10%? The level of protection provided would be somewhat akin to a cocktail umbrella in the middle of Calcutta in the wet season. Saving is done for the bike you want to buy as a child. Or these days, in the age of Strava mammals and extortionate Trek and giant bikes, saving is done for that bike you want to buy as an adult. Investing is placing money into a vehicle for the medium to long term to outpace inflation and actually have value to your cash in the future. In fact, it could be argued that these days of sensible means of investing is the best guard against a rainy day. As much as save the change features on your bank account or small investments through direct debit into a separate account for safekeeping give you that warm, fuzzy feeling of noticing, oh, I didn't realise that extra $136.33 when checking your account every 6 months. It doesn't really do much for you. In reality, it is like finding a fiver under your sofa cushion. Sadly, that feeling doesn't pay the bills. Therefore, while investing money might feel like a luxury, a bother, a rabbit hole that is best left for another day to sort out, alongside fixing that hole in the garden fence or learning to play an instrument or language, take a deep breath and think about this for 1 second. It is probably one of the only ways that you can truly accumulate enough wealth for that rainy day. In fact, if done well enough, it can ensure that the sun always shines. Saving up regularly? That's really nice as a little treat for every now and again. Invest for the rainy day. Save for the miscellaneous day. By the way, I know you were wondering about the word mammals earlier. Well, let me tell you. It stands for middle-aged men in lycra, as if you didn't know.